Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, Android Auto Apple CarPlay, air conditioning, Ecotec 3 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.